Hi, I'm Richie Goad, Minister of Discipleship here at Catalyst Church, and you are watching Connection Groups Winging It. Today, I have here with me two representatives from the Fringes of the Universe Connection Group. That's it. Better known as our Madison Wentworth Connection Group. To my right, we have our hosts for this group, Rick Rogers and his wife, Ann. And then I have here to my left, our Connection Group leader for this group, Andy Hammond. So start off, before we get into trying our hot sauces, trying our wings out, I just wanted to open up by asking you a very, very serious and poignant question. And the question is, if there was a movie created about your life, who would play you?
I'd go with Tom Hanks.
Tom Hanks? You know what? I can see it. All right. Is there a reason behind that?
I'm just Forrest Gumpy. You know?
Forrest Gumpy. I like it. I could dig it. I don't know if I've ever, I might start using that. You're giving a Forrest Gumpy vibe. So are you really fast?
I can run like Forrest.
You can run like Forrest. Yes. You know what? That doesn't surprise me. That doesn't surprise me at all. Now, Andy, who would play you in the movie?
I have to have someone who can master my accent. That's a big.
That is true. That is a big deal. Hey, for the people at home who may not know this yet, where are you from originally? Because you weren't born in the United States, right?
I was born in the bottom part of Africa, a country called South Africa.
South Africa. And here we got a South Carolina guy.
Yeah.
Right. Go Gamecocks, right?
Oh.
Oh man. Well, Andy, so you gotta have somebody who can do your accent. I'm trying to think.
He's not South African, but I guarantee you Sean Connery can pull it off.
The late Sean Connery, unfortunately.
That's true, yeah.
Yeah, the late Sean Connery. Yeah, I can see that. So here's what we got. We're going to try our first sauce, and both of these were made by our very own Ron Behrens. And for this first one, he said just call it Ron's replacement for Tabasco. Ron's replacement for Tabasco. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Definitely feel it.
Nice.
It makes me afraid to try the next one, even though I already have.
You can move it.
Yeah. All right. For our next question, I just want you to kind of give an interesting fact about yourself and tell us about your family. So let's start this one off with Andy.
Well, I have 3 children. 4 of them are actually grown up now. I still have one living with me, one lives with me.
Yeah.
That's very part of it.
Man, Timothy.
And Rachel, who's my neighbor.
Nice.
She's really cool. I love her living with me. And then Hannah, who lives in that rent.
And you have a wife too.
Yes, I have beautiful kids.
Awesome. Now, do you have any interesting facts about yourself? Hobbies? Anything you enjoy doing? I can name a few off the top of my head.
Let's see, hobbies, photography,
Okay.
outdoor cooking.
Outdoor cooking. And let me tell the people watching this, you want a guy who can smoke some meats. Andy Hammond's your guy. Holy smokes. No pun intended.
I smoke her.
Rick, tell us a little bit about your family and an interesting fact about you, man.
Okay, so my wife Ann and I live out in Madison. We used to live in the Raleigh-Durham area for many years. We have 2 grown children. Our son John and his wife live down in Smithfield. and our daughter and son-in-law Ben just moved back to Greensboro.
Not far from here.
So for those who don't know me, Ann and I have a small hobby farm, and so we raise rabbits and chickens, and we have 15 acres, and I hunt out there, and we have a pretty large garden, so just a nice way to spend our day.
And we have a lot of people in our church who have gotten to try both of the things that y'all have cooked and grown. Well, y'all ready to do this this next one? All right, so Ron Behrens texted me, and here is what he named this sauce. He said this is Ron's Hellfire sauce.
Oh, great.
And we would see what he means after we've eaten this. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, there it is.
Yep.
There it is.
It took a while.
It hit for a second, but boom!
It lingers.
Well, it didn't hit at first.
Yeah,
and all of a
it
sudden
didn't.
it's like, bam!
Oh, wow. Oh, did it? I saved the most important question for last. I'm only free.
All right. Yeah,
Y'all need more milk, guys?
I think I'm gonna be okay.
I think I'm gonna be okay. If you're going to make bad life decisions, it's better to do it with friends.
There you go.
There you go.
People you love. What impact have connection groups had in your life? Why do you find them important?
Well, even though we now have our own auditorium, there's still very limited opportunity to connect with people. I mean, you have at most 10 minutes before, 15 maybe, maybe 15 or 20 minutes after, and then we all go our separate ways. So for me, the connection group is just that. It's time to connect. And time to let your hair down and be real. So we're really excited about hosting.
So what about you, Andy?
Well, Christy has a saying, if you feed them, they will come.
If you feed them, they will come.
And so connection group is just an opportunity to build community. When Jesus came, he didn't come that we could meet in buildings all the time. He came to create disciples, and he lived with him. And we don't get that opportunity today, but just having opportunity to meet in someone's home and connect with people, and that I think is a great opportunity just to open doors to disciple.
So that was Connection Groups Winging It. Sign-ups for fall 2023 Connection Groups are currently open, and Rick and Andy's Connection Group is going to be meeting on Tuesday nights at 6:30 p.m., starting off with a time of food and fellowship and then a time of discussion, and they will be meeting for the first time September the 19th. So if you have any questions about getting connected with a connection group, don't hesitate to reach out to me, Richie Goad, at richie@catalystchurch.org.